Okay, as promised, here's the next episode. And we're going to be opening Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
Hot Wheels.
This one really needs to be.
Yeah, this is, we did this in one of the totes unveiling thing, and this is a 2002, and I've decided that this needs to come out because look at that.
It's so disgusting.
Well, it's just from the heat, from being out in the shed. You know, the heat, it made this blister pack nasty.
If I was that car, I bet it would smell so bad. I bet I wouldn't be able to breathe.
All right, so what we're going to do is, here, we'll do these after. I just set them up there. They're not in a specific thing, but we'll save this guy for last. Okay. Oh. All right, here, while she's doing that, she's picking that up, I'm going to open this one. And what is the one that you just dropped, Madison?
The same one.
Here, you get to open that. Go ahead. And I'll open this one. And I do have a bunch of these, because when I saw it, it was like one of my favorites, and I tend to buy them up. And this is a right-hand drive, so that's cool. Nice car. And we got the other one.
Same thing.
Same thing, and I'll redo these someday. All right. Next we've got another Matchbox found its way in there.
Wow.
All right, I guess we're doing this. It's a mix. It's a mix with the Hot Wheels, but this is I think that Mercedes.
Boy,
yeah, Mercedes.
You didn't want to show up, did you?
G63, I think it's called. Oh, it's got cool tampos on the back. Cool Mercedes-Benz symbol on the front. Oh, and you know what? Hey, real quick trivia. Okay, this Mercedes-Benz symbol. See how it's got the triangle sort of thing on it? See that?
Yeah.
Well, what it means is because Mercedes-Benz did more than cars back when they made this, it actually has a meaning. And these little things that sprawl off means land, sea, and air. Isn't that neat?
Looks like a peace sign.
Yeah, but it isn't. It's the land, sea, and air. So anyways, all right, let's go. Some trivia that you might not have known.
Gross. There's something on the car.
Yeah, there is.
It looks like a dead leg from a bug.
I don't know what it is. It fell off, whatever it is. It does look like that, though. That's pretty weird. Okay, again, hey, they did a good job because it looks like that opened, because I just went to open it. But this is a Hot Wheels, same company. But this looks pretty good. It's got 205 on the license plate. It's got a nice little symbol there. Put that there. It's a 1965. Okay, we got the Driftsta, which I cannot pronounce very good, but I think I did it good that time. So we'll just call it this car, because I always want to say Drifter. But I'll bet you this thing will be good on the track, because it's nice and low. It doesn't roll all that great, but I think this rolls better, actually. Seems heavier, too. All right, we've got this nice Ford Torino. This is a Walmart exclusive. But I got it at the Dollar Tree. All right, this one's nice. We've seen that before. Put it in there. Yeah, we got this Tesla Model S. This is really the only Tesla that I like. It's real classy looking. Almost looks like a Panamera, but I think it looks better than a Panamera, actually. But it's got nice tampos on it, Tesla.
Hey, that kind of looks like that.
Oh, a little bit. Kind of, sort of. Okay, a mini Honda City Turbo, that's what it's called.
It says turbo on it, but
it's turbo time.
I think with a short car and with people's short legs, they wouldn't be able to go that fast, so yeah.
I think this car would be really fast because of how small it is.
I'm not trying to be rude.
Yeah. It looks like it's got, I don't know, in the back, it looks like, I don't know what's in the back. Something's in there. Not sure, but I think it's a neat little car. Okay, what's next?
Color.
Yeah, the Jaguar. That's really nice. Do you like it? Is it like a maroonish or something? Brown, or what is it?
It's a orangish brown.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. I think it's pretty nice, actually. Oh, the roof is cool. Can you see that, Madison?
Yeah.
It looks like a fly's eyes when they show very close up things of Bug's eyes.
Actually, it kind of looks like if someone were to sit in that in real life, I feel like there's a little shade that you could pull down and the sun shines down like...
Yeah, they call it a panoramic roof. What? Oh! Got another matchbox that found its way in there. And actually, I've been really jonesing to open one of these. This Lotus Europa. It's a really cool car. And in real life, they're really neat to look at, too. Oh, it's so cool. I love the pinstripe around the hood and everything. Around the roof. Wow, that is cool. See, this is why I still buy Matchbox. Because they're just cool. I love what they do with them.
I like Hot Wheels better.
I do too, but you gotta admit, isn't that nice? It looks way nicer. Look.
Yeah.
Look at the detail. You better... Alright, here, let's move on. Okay, we got, I think it's an Integra. Yep. Oh, look how easy that opened. Thank you, Hot Wheels. It's like they don't use as much glue, which is not a bad thing, but it's just easy to open. Yes, there's not much detail as far as headlights and stuff and all that stuff, but on the sides we do.
Reason it reminds me of the movie theater because of the colors.
Movie theater? What's that?
You don't know it?
Nope.
Wow.
Alpine A110.
You don't know what a movie theater is?
I know what a movie theater is. How does that remind you of a movie theater?
I don't know.
See, that's my my daughter. She got this vivid imagination that I probably used to have. Okay, so this is pretty cool. It's just kind of rewarding opening up this car.
I want that.
What, this one?
Yeah, because of the color.
Yeah, it's nice. You want to check it out?
Hey, it's like the same color as my nail polish, but it's chipping off.
I don't think it's the no, not really.
What?
All right, got a bunch of these cars, but I never get sick of them. The Skylines. Ooh. Yeah, I think I opened this on because I was talking about how the body comes down farther than the base, which I thought was pretty neat. Oh, it's cool. Nice car. Nice car. It's got the GTR logo on it. All right, next. Yep, Ford Escort. The RS 1600. Another one that doesn't get old at all. It's got some crud on it. It says Raleigh, California. Nice. Sparko. That's a favorite right there. These guys are one of my favorites. Oh, this is, I got this up in Canada because of this, I remember.
Canada? When?
Let me see. Probably, well, it's 2003, so probably around there. 2003.
How did you...
What?
How did you visit that?
A friend of mine took me up there. Shout out to LB. Uncle LB took me. He did. Okay, so this is a golf cart. It's actually pretty cool. And Golf Patrol. Gundo Golf Patrol. K9 unit. Stella. It's cute. Stella! Alright. Okay, now we have this, I think it's part of, the Christmas thing. Yeah. I know I had another one of these, so I took this out. I wanted to open it. Not all these are doubles that I'm taking out.
Green.
You don't like it?
It's not my favorite.
Yeah, it's not the best. Well, it's good. Be a good track car. Okay, 65 Mustang. This is a nice one. I'd like to make a 350 GT out of this one. Now it's got a weird thing going on the hood here. It's like dirt. Strange. This is really cool. I like how the back end sits so low in the back. The profile. What, you don't like it? I do. It's nice. Alright, what do we got? Oh, yeah, that's right. One of these guys.
No.
Oh, and that would accept the little guy.
Yeah.
This guy.
So you're saying it wouldn't accept him?
No, that guy isn't even in there. Yeah, what is this called again? This is called the kick cart. It's heavy. Ooh, I bet you'll go down the track good. It's pretty neat. I like it a lot. It's got this rear diffuser on there.
I like it a lot.
I like it a lot. Kick cart.
Doom Daddy.
Dune Daddy.
Doom.
What color is that? Maroon? Brown?
A maroonish brown.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Nice. Got treads on the wheels, so they make that noise. Olivia likes that noise. Oh, by the way, yeah, it's just Olivia's not with us. Oh, I already mentioned she's not feeling well.
Put the cookie down.
No. Okay. Nissan 300ZX. I think I already told you in one of the other videos I had a chance to buy one of these, but I was going to trade or something like that, and then we never did. But I got to drive it. It's nice. It drove really cool. Liked it. Got the chrome van here. Super Chromes, Custom 77. Dodge van. Oh, it's nice.
I wonder what that feels like.
Oh, it's cool. I'm not going to let you hold on to this.
What?
Nope. Here. Okay. Here.
Oh, it's...
Another part of the... Well, this is H Hot Wheels Metro. It's the armored truck.
This is light.
Yeah. I mean, the base is metal. It's bottom heavy, which probably be good on the track, although it's wobbly. I know, we got to test these on the track. Another metal base, plastic top. And it's pretty nice, the chrome on there. Okay, alright. Next, kiddo, what's going on?
Hey, I'm Mustard. What's your name?
This
Mustard?
is Piranha Terror, right? Yeah, Piranha Terror. Terror.
Is your name Mustang?
Oh, it's cool. It rolls awesome. Does this... No, that'd be cool if it chomped. Oh, it'd be cool if when you rolled it, it chomped up and down. Right? Right?
What?
Right? If when you rolled this, his jaw went up and down like it chomped.
What, to bite a kid's finger off?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Mustard.
Okay, roller toaster. I have one of these in blue that I took out. And, of course, that's its little feature.
I never felt that before.
Got the plug on the side. Here you go. Next, another exclusive from Walmart, but I found it at the Dollar Tree. Come on. Yeah. Oh, you gotta see my trash can. It's filling up.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
All
That's
right.
how many... Wait, we didn't even open that much.
Yeah, well, we did the Matchbox too, remember? Well, and there was some trash in it already. Like, not a lot, but there was stuff in there already.
You don't want to know.
Yeah. This is nice. What color is this?
It's a
Green.
Christmas green.
Yeah, that's nice. Nice. I like it a lot. Okay, another exclusive Nova. I think I've opened one of these on... See, now this is a hard one to open. This did not want to come out. Okay, look at the paint.
I think those are air pockets or air bubbles.
It's like dust, dirt particles in there from when they painted it. That's not a good paint job. This would be a great one to take apart. Redo. Okay, we got the Hollinator. The Hollinator. Okay, this comes out. And look how huge the car is compared to it. There we go. I'll put that there. Okay. Exotique. Exotique. You get away from my car. It's exotique. Ooh, this is pretty nice. Rolls good. It's not the coolest looking car. Alright.
I can't stop laughing.
We got another drift stuff. Different variation. Alright. There's that. McLaren. Okay, so there's the McLaren. Rolls okay. All right, kiddo, what's next? All right, got this Jaguar XJ220 Supercar. Ooh, this feels nice. That would be good on track. Feels nice. Let's get the tampos for the lights, which is pretty neat. Yep, I like it.
I don't
nice
really.
Okay, 944 turbo. Got a bunch of these. Rolls good. Next. Cruise Bruiser. This is part of the art cars.
It reminds me of the 80s.
Because of the colors.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got a roll cage in there. It's rather interesting. Not my favorite, that's for sure, but interesting. This is one of my favorites, though, the Night Shifter. I've said it many times, probably sick of it. If you see my other videos, just, yeah, we know you like it. But I do, it's really cool. I love this. Again, it's like an Australian muscle car look to it. If you understand what that means. I don't know if you even know what I'm talking about, but... Alright, there we go. There's that one. Okay, Hemi Challenger. This is another Walmart exclusive. Come on. I think I opened up another one of these before. It's wobbly and weird. There's a lot of junk coming out of these. Oops.
Jenny.
It's narrow. Alright. What do we got next? Okay, we got another 944. There, you open that. I'll open this. GoPro number 24. I didn't like this when it first came out, but actually it's kind of grown on me. Ooh, it's nice. I like that. Metal base, plastic body. It's not the most detailed car, but it's actually pretty cool. And I like how they have the wheels, how they're missing the little part where the valve stem would be. Alright, next we have a Morris Mini. And if you watch one of my other videos, I did a Matchbox, a redo, little restoration thing, custom that I did. But this is really cool. I wouldn't want to wreck this one. Paint is really cool too. Feels pretty good. That might go good on the track. Alright, we got the Solar Reflex. Looks like a sneaker or something. It's obviously an electric car.
I know what it looks like. Either a mermaid scale of fish or the bottom of a pool.
Yep. Yeah, you're kind of right. It does
what
look
does
like that.
That feel like?
Solar Project. It's just plastic and plastic on top of there. Okay, we got part of the Factory Fresh Audi RS. Is that A4 or something? A5? I don't know. It's pretty nice. I like the tampos on it. And it's got that panoramic roof that other car had, the Jag, that we opened up. And it's got that mesh look to it. Okay, Honda CRX. A friend of mine in high school had one of these. This was blue. And if you watch my other stuff, you probably already know that. And you're sick of it. But here we go. Oh, the hood ornament's pretty cool. It actually is like cast into the body. That's pretty neat. Robo Race Robo Car. Oh, I got these all facing the wrong way too, because these are Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah, they should be the other way, but we're not going to fix them. Okay. Let me see. This is pretty neat. Probably be good on the track. What do we got? Oh, you know what? I got this. Got a bunch of these. And I've got a red one. This is that SP2 Volkswagen. This one too. Oh, gotta put in there. Taking up a lot of room here.
What the heck?
Head starter. I already opened one of these actually. This is all cast. I think this is all metal actually. This whole thing, even the base. Yeah, the engine is metal. So the body part is plastic, but most of it's metal, and it's really heavy especially toward the back. Okay, I got a 84 Quattro, like rally version. It's rally, cool. You get it?
No.
Okay. All right, he's gonna park here, and we got this Aston Martin Vulcan. Live long and prosper. Oh, and this is just gonna overflow. Look at this. It's overflowing.
Like a flowing.
All right. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Next.
Hey, didn't I get you something like that in Matchbox? Just
Kinda, yeah. It's not exactly the same. It's right here, but it's not exactly the same. See? Different. Okay. This is pretty nice. Like the panoramic roof on this one, too. The motorcycle on the
how
back.
did this get over here?
Oh, I put it there. Because you sidetracked me. Okay, next. Honda Civic. Type R. Type R. Type R. There you go. These are nice. Looks pretty cool. Nice tampons on the front. Running out of room.
Didn't you already do that one somewhere?
I think I did, yeah.
In a different packaging?
Yeah. Okay, this is part of their super chromes. Satin and chrome Camaro or Fireblade. Hover and out. Part of their super chromes. Little teeny tiny wheels on it. Not sure what this is exact. Oh, it's supposed to be like a hovercraft type thing. Like hover and out. All right, what else we got?
But you
Yeah.
did that?
What, this?
Yeah.
No, it's different. I'll show you. This is it's a Mach 1 or a Boss. Yeah, it's a Boss Mustang. This one is like a Shelby. It's a fastback, but it's like a Shelby 350. So they're different. See?
Yeah.
Still nice nonetheless, though. Okay. So you know what? That's it for this. We're going to turn this into another part because we got a lot here. We're actually running out of room in here. So yeah. So that's what we're going to do. So we'll do a part 3, but in part 3 we're going to do some different stuff. Not just Hot Wheels. We've got some Hot Wheels left, but we got some oddball stuff we're going to open as well. So it came out of the tote that you guys might have seen before. And it's just stuff that should come out. Packaging is kind of nasty and all that stuff. So yeah, so stay tuned for that episode. But until then,
like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell button. And we'll see you next time. Bye.